Anyone can apply for verification on Instagram, but actually getting approved is a lot tougher. So to make it easier, I have come up with some legit tips that will help you get verified easily without any hassle. Let's get straight to the point. Tip number 1. Delete any cross-platform links in your bio. Don't you ever make the mistake of adding links to other social media services in your Instagram profiles. You will never get verified if you have any such links. However, you can include links to your website, landing pages, or other online properties. Just definitely don't link to your YouTube or Twitter account or other social media platform. Tip number 2. Get more followers. Look, we don't have the numbers, but it honestly feels sometimes like you need a ridiculous number of followers to get verified. If you have been following my channel, then I'm sure you must have a pretty good number of followers. But if you are new to this channel, then subscribe now, and I'll take responsibility for increasing the number of followers for you. Having a good number of followers will not only help you get verified on Instagram, but also help get approached by people and brands. In other words, there is a high chance that you may get sponsorship offers. But don't try to take a shortcut and buy your Instagram followers unless you follow my exact instructions from my videos, because breaking the community guidelines and then asking Instagram to examine your account is a very effective way to get your account shut down. Tip number 3. Make sure your profile and bio are complete and effective. Instagram will most likely ignore your account in the process of verification if you don't have a professional-looking profile. Your account will never get verified on Instagram if your profile doesn't have at least one post, a profile picture, and a bio. Tip number 4. Make yourself visible on the internet and build your brand. This one sounds a little heavy, but trust me, it's not a difficult task. Instagram will definitely search for your profile on the internet, and if they don't find you other than Facebook, Twitter, and other social media, then your account will not get verified on Instagram. So how do we make ourselves visible on the internet? Join Facebook groups and be an active person in the group. Similarly, join many other community groups online and also do take part in forums. Don't forget to be an active social media user. Post regularly and do leave a comment on almost every post of some other pages related to your niche. Is there any other way to make ourselves visible on the internet? Well, the answer is by building a website. Now don't get furious, it's just as simple as creating a new Instagram account, but with a few more steps. Having a website will not only make you visible on the internet, but also help you build your brand. Tip number 5. It should be a professional account, but not a fan page. Your Instagram account should be professional, that is, a business or a creator account, and not a random personal account. Learn to create a professional account out of a personal account from the link in the description. Also, make sure that your Instagram account is not a fan page or a meme page or other account impersonating some other people. Instagram will directly reject and decline your verification request. So this was my 5 tips to get verified on Instagram. There are few more tips, but if you follow and abide by these 5 tips, then you will surely get verified. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.